we got the big box store. Come on. Put them on my thumb. Right? They're stuck on my thumb. You see that? Pops right off. No fuss, no muss. It pops right off. Right? Same thing on plastic. Pops right off on plastic. Oh, that's paper. Pops right off on paper. Here it is on plastic. Pops right off. Hardly any stick whatsoever. See? So you end up having to glue them down, right? You got another brand over here. Again, self-adhesive Tufts, right? I can't even get them to stick. Here's your self-adhesive tuft, okay? It's on there. Pull it right off. I mean, even less stick than the previous ones. Pulls right off. No stick whatsoever. I can just literally pop it off with my thumb. Okay? So that's brand number 2. Then you have Shadow's Edge Miniatures. Self-adhesive basing tufts. Keyword, self-adhesive. They actually self-adhere. Go figure. Like I said, if you're going to advertise that you do something, you better be able to do it. Pick off a little clump here. There's the bottom. Put it on my thumb. Push it down. Right. Look at that. I can't even pull it off because all the grass is coming out. Now here, look. Trying to pull it off. Look at that. You see that? You're going to pull off all the tufts before you pull off the adhesive. See that? Quite literally, still. I mean, I can pull it off of this and it's still sticky. Ugh, it's stuck to my tweezers. So that just goes to show. See, I can't pop it off. There we go, because I tore it to shreds. But that's the difference between the tufts, an actual self-adhesive tuft. So figured I'd share that with all of you.